As y'all can already see from the title, this is going to be my first high-end luxury unboxing video. So if you ladies want to see what I purchased, stay tuned for the video. Now, I am super excited to do this unboxing for you ladies, and I actually got my package today. I have not seen this bag, so I'm super excited to see what she looks like. Oh my god, I've been wanting this bag for so long, and I finally, after extensive researching on if I wanted MCM bag, if I wanted a Gucci bag, if I wanted a Louis Vuitton bag, I finally decided on purchasing my MCM bag, and it came in this ugly brown box. I already opened the box off camera, but I have not taken anything out of the box. It's so pretty. So when you open the box, it comes in this little paper, and it has the Neiman Marcus sticker logo right here. I'm just going to open that up. Oops. I ripped the paper, but oh well, it's going in the garbage. And once I opened that, it was not another layer. And here she is. It comes in this big, gigantic Ziploc bag. And the Ziploc bag have the MCM sticker. Oh wait. Yeah, it comes in this big, gigantic Ziploc bag. So we're gonna take this out. And the bag do come in plastic bubble wrap. And the bubble wrap basically has MCM sticker on it. She is beautiful, and she looks like that. She is so gorgeous. As y'all see, this is my first time unboxing this bag. The plastic is still on, and she is so pretty. Oh my god, she's gorgeous, she's gorgeous, she's gorgeous. Now this is the cognac color, the signature color of the bag. A signature color. And it does come with a pouch. Now I'm going to get in the specs of the bag right now. I have everything on my phone, so please bear with me. Now this is the Liz Reversible Medium Tote Bag, and like I said, in the color cognac. MCM coated canvas pebble leather trim bag. It has golden hardware, so like the gold plating right here. You have a gold clasp, lobster clasp, I believe that's what that's called. Some more gold plating on the back of the bag. Some gold plating right here. Shoulder straps, and it's 9 inches in drop. It is an open top bag with lobster clip clasp, and it is individual numbered logo plate. It's also leather pulls clinch sides, and it is reversible cotton canvas lining. And it also have a removable zip pouch with a shoulder strap, which is 8 inches in height, 11 inches in width. And the bag itself is 12 inches in height, 13 inches in width, and 6 inches in depth. So I'm going to take all this off. Oh my god, I should have a scissor. I'm sitting over here with no scissor. I'm going to take all this plastic off. I'm going to remove all the plastic and stuff off the bag, and I'll be back. They made sure nobody was stealing this. This thing got that plastic. So the bag does come with some more of this stuff inside of it. It comes with a salt packet. Garbage. It also comes with a dust bag. I'm just gonna open up and show you guys that. Make sure I got it upside down. So the dust bag looks like this with the MCM print on the front. This does feel like it's very sturdy, like it's not gonna rip fast, so I like that. Like, it's good quality. And the tag is on the bag with the price as well. Oh my god, all this plastic. Jesus Christ. They made sure this bag was well protected. Very well protected. Yo, I got a little piece of plastic on there. I gotta get a scissor to cut it off. I might keep this to keep the shape of my bag. But this is how the inside of the bag looks. Looks like that. There is no pockets on the inside. Which, oh my god, I swore I just took off a plastic. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get some scissors to cut both ends of that off. I don't even want to reverse turn this inside out. But if you guys can see that, the purple MCM print on the inside of the bag, I hope you guys can see that. It's like on the inside right here of the bag. But this is how the bag looks. Now I'm going to clinch it in. How do you do this? Oh, like this, I believe. Okay. Yeah, I think I got this wrong. Okay. y'all. I think I got this wrong. But that's how the bag look. And I like the gold plating. The gold plating on the bag is just so pretty. I love that. That gold plate. I just love. And the gold plating does have a plastic over it. I'm just going to keep that on and just let that fall off on its own. And yeah, let's just get into the pouch. So the pouch looks like this. I really got the bag for this pouch. Like, I really wanted a pouch, a small little pouch, or like a little wristlet. I did want it something like this because I think this alone is like almost $400. So I'm like, you know what? Why not buy the bag with the pouch in it? And it's like getting 2 bags for 1. So that's what I did. Just some paper in there. More salt packets. And this does not have more salt packets. This does not have any pockets. And this is how the inside of that bag look. And it's also the authenticity. I can never pronounce this freaking word. But you ladies catch the drift of what I'm trying to pronounce. The care card all in here. It also have the MCF stamp logo on the front. Stuff is in here with the warranty and stuff like that. So that's that. I'm going to keep this in my dust bag. And yeah, guys, this is how both bags look, and I'm so excited with my purchase. I will be making more purchases from Neiman Marcus very soon, so stay tuned for those videos. This is my 2 purchases, well, my 2-in-1 purchase that I got from Neiman Marcus, and I'm super excited. I can't wait to rock both of these items. And I hope you ladies enjoy my unboxing video, and I'll talk to y'all divas later. Bye.